Travel just got a whole lot smarter with the advent of artificial intelligence, and Tada Tours is leading the charge by incorporating OpenAI's ChatGPT into their system. Say goodbye to long wait times and generic travel itineraries. With ChatGPT on board, Tada Tours is able to offer personalized and efficient travel experiences that are designed just for you. ChatGPT's ability to understand and respond to human language in real time makes it the perfect tool for handling all your travel needs. Say goodbye to frustration and confusion, as you can now get quick and accurate answers to any questions you may have about your itinerary, flight times, and booking details. Tada Tours customer service agents are also freed up to focus on more complex needs, ensuring that you receive the best possible service. But that's not all. With ChatGPT's recommendation system, Tada Tours can offer you the ultimate personalized travel experience. ChatGPT can analyze vast amounts of data to recommend travel itineraries that are tailored just for you. Based on your budget, preferred activities, and travel dates, ChatGPT will suggest destinations that are a perfect fit. And the best part? You can book these tours with a few clicks, without ever having to speak to a travel agent. Tada Tours is also using ChatGPT to improve their operational efficiency, freeing up valuable time and resources for more critical tasks. With ChatGPT handling routine tasks such as updating flight times, you can be assured that the information you receive is always accurate and up to date. So, what are you waiting for? Experience the future of travel with Tada Tours and ChatGPT. Book a personalized tour today and discover a world of possibilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe. www.tadatours.com